Warren Buffett's management secrets. Number 1. Introduction. Warren Buffett is a genius manager with CEOs of many different companies, reporting directly or indirectly to him. The methods Warren uses are simple, easy to understand and powerful. Leadership is really what a good manager is all about. L is for loyalty. E for enthusiasm. A stands for attitude. D is for discipline. E for example. R is for respect. S stands for savvy. And H is for honesty. I stands for integrity. Finally, P is for pride. In this course, we'll cover the following topics. Number 1. Pick the right business to own, manage, or work for, with the right economics working in your favor. Number 2. The power to delegate authority. Number 3. Find a manager with the right qualities. Warren looks for integrity, intelligence and passion. Number 4. Motivate the workforce. Motivating managers and employees to be as productive as possible. Number 5. Managerial truths for problem solving. Dealing with things such as leverage, dishonest employees, and keeping costs low. Number 6. How to manage your day-to-day life. Help to improve your life management skills. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. So, let's dive in. Next, pick the right business to work for.